In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IMPORTRANGE function. We'll walk through the basic process of bringing data from one Google Sheet into another. Using the IMPORTRANGE formula. This is a very useful function when you want one spreadsheet to automatically pull information from a different file, without copying and pasting the data manually every time it changes. To begin, open the Google Sheet that contains the data you want to import. This is your source sheet, meaning it's the file where the original data already exists. Once you have it open, go up to your browser's address bar. Highlight the full URL and copy it. Make sure you copy the entire link, because Google Sheets uses that URL to identify exactly which file the data should come from. Next, go to the Google Sheet where you want the imported data to appear. This is your destination sheet. Click the cell where you want the imported data to begin. This is important because the formula will place the results starting from that selected cell and expand into the surrounding cells as needed. Now type the IMPORTRANGE formula. The structure looks like this, equals IMPORTRANGE. Then inside parentheses, add the source spreadsheet URL in quotation marks, followed by a comma, and then the sheet name and range, also in quotation marks. In other words, you'll paste the copied URL inside double quotes, then specify the location of the data you want to import. For the range portion, type the name of the tab, then an exclamation mark, and then the cell range. For example, you might use something like Sheet 1 exclamation, mark a 1 through D50. That tells Google Sheets exactly which tab and which cells to pull into your destination file. A helpful thing to remember is that if you don't include a sheet name, Google Sheets will import from the first tab by default. However, it's usually better to be specific, especially if your source file contains multiple tabs. That helps avoid confusion and ensures you get the exact data you expect. After entering the formula, press Enter. If this is the first time connecting the two sheets, Google Sheets may ask for permission to allow access. Once access is granted, the data will be imported into your destination sheet. That's all there is to it. With IMPORTRANGE, you can connect spreadsheets quickly and keep your data more organized and up to date. Thanks for watching.